Ja. Vanmorgen, dit is een baie groot geleentheid. Ik denk niet voor die historische vervoervereniging, maar ook voor die Zuid-Afrikaanse spoorweer. Want ik geloof, en ik weet niet of meneer Martens en meneer Tapi stemmen samen, dit is misschien de laatste keer dat ons een stoomlocomotief bij Johannesburg statie zal zijn. Maar ik weet niet en ik wil niet rijden.
Meneer James Hall oorhandigt een historische medaille.
I wish to present to you the authentic little case with a mint condition medal struck by Paul Kruger commemorating the opening of the Delagoa Bay line. A magnificent medal of that period. This I would like to see in your museum, sir.
The magnificently turned-out engine starts the historic journey to Cape Town. Steam is used all the way, and a gold-plated trophy is to be presented to the best turned-out engine.
Die reis gaan tegen een gemakkelijke snelheid tot op Kerkstop, waar onze onderhoud met die machinist gevoerd heeft.
Driver Cooper, you are the first driver in almost 20 years to have driven a steam locomotive out of Johannesburg Station. How did it feel?
Oh, it feels like old times again.
Did you drive them out in the days gone by?
And now?
And this has recaptured lots of memories for you, has it?
Very definitely so.
And how has your trip been so far?
Wonderful.
You've had no troubles with the locomotive?
Nothing whatsoever.
And what is the fastest speed that you reached on the trip down?
About 55.
And at 55 miles per hour, there's hardly a feeling of movement, while meals to please a gourmet are prepared for the passengers.
En van Beaufort af tot op Thuisrivier trekt aan Billy van de locomotief die langrijbaans.
Driver de Villiers, the Class 25 locomotive of the SAR is not the easiest to keep clean, but this one that you've turned out here, I don't think I've seen anything as beautiful in my life as this engine. How long did it take you to get clean?
Well, about 7 or 8 days.
7 or 8 days you've worked on this. And do you think that you're going to win the prize?
Yes, I hope so.
Voort naar Thuisrivier, waar, zoals elders, een groot schare om in wacht.
The final changeover, and that last-minute oil and grease and clean-up.
Onder die hoogwaardigheidsbekleers aan boord is die besturende directeur van die Henschel-fabriek in Duitsland.
Mr. Beckman, did you enjoy this trip?
Well, I enjoyed it very much. It was a big surprise, and I only can say that it was unique for me. I have been here in South Africa several times, but this trip by train gave me a right impression of the country.
Through tunnels and on to Cape Town, where an enormous crowd awaits the arrival of the anniversary special. And the gold-plated trophy for the best turned-out engine goes to the Beaufort West section. So ends an historic occasion when steam was supreme.